Meet Captain Wilbur and First Officer Orville. Tonight, they are landing in light snow, low visibility, and with a reported runway condition code of 555. Unfortunately, they run out of runway and come to rest in the EMAS. Thankfully, there are no passengers or crew injuries or fatalities. They both complete ASAP reports and state that they think they landed on speed and within the touchdown zone and applied adequate braking and reverse thrust. They believe that poorly reported runway conditions were the primary contributor to the overrun. The ASAP ERC, or Event Review Committee, consisting of an ALPA company and FAA representative, receive Orville and Wilbur's ASAP report. Their primary responsibility is to help the crew understand why this event happened and what can be done to prevent it in the future. They can do this by developing what's known as corrective actions, consisting of a coaching phone call, a sit-down with an instructor, or a non-Jeopardy simulator session. In today's world, the ERC's scope of information would be limited to what Orville and Wilbur stated in their ASAP report. Because Wilbur and Orville were in a high-stress situation that led to the incident, they simply don't recall important details like airspeed, altitude, glide slope deviation, oral alerts, and more. Studies have shown that pilots struggle to recall important details after experiencing high-stress situations. To address this shortcoming in our ASAP program, we have partnered with the company to amend the current FOQA Letter of Agreement. With this new program called ASAP FOQA Crosstalk, events like Orville and Wilbur's can be supplemented with FOQA data that results in a better picture of the event. Here's how it would work. A pilot files an ASAP report as normal. The ASAP Event Review Committee meet to discuss the ASAP report. If the company representative and an ALPA representative agree that examining FOQA data would be helpful, they will place a request with the FOQA gatekeepers. The FAA representative is completely removed from this process. The FOQA monitoring team must unanimously vote to approve the request. ALPA holds a supermajority on the FOQA monitoring team. If the request is approved, 2 ALPA gatekeepers review the data and create a synopsis of the data, which is then presented to the ASAP company and ALPA representatives. The AVDR board determines if they would like to add to the corrective action based on this new information. Finally, Wilbur and Orville complete any corrective actions issued by the full ERC and the AVDR board. As a reminder, FOQA data is never shared with the FAA. A pilot can never be disciplined due to this FOQA data. And the AVDR board and all involved parties must maintain complete confidentiality. Have questions or comments about the ASAP FOQA Crosstalk agreement? Speak with your local representative or throw us a dart at dart.alpa.org.